travel with USTINI. Now we are in Taiwan and we are traveling with USTINI.
Welcome.
Hello, welcome back to Find Your channel. We are in龍崎Taiwan County, and this is special place. It's very like a tiger shaped mountain, 步行山. And this is travel. When you on the travel, it's time to go home to travel in your hometown. So I travel with my hometown with USTINI shoes. Okay, we got our brochure, and then we can get a sticker. Yay! You see inside. Thank you.
Even if it makes me blind, I just wanna see the light.